Well, Diwali emerged as a global festival with several top world leaders, including the UAE royals, sharing warm wishes on the occasion of Diwali. Diwali, the festival of lights, celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil.
Jai Jai Sri Ram. Jai Jai Sri Ram.
It was not just India which lit up and celebrated the auspicious festival, but also beyond our country's borders, all across the world.
Namaste and happy Diwali, everybody. All over the world.
Diwali has emerged as a global festival with several top and influential world leaders, from US President Donald Trump to British Prime Minister Boris Johnson and leading royalty from the UAE and others, sharing warm Diwali wishes. The United Nations took to Twitter in greeting India and those celebrating on Diwali. US President Donald Trump lit up a lamp inside the White House to mark the festival of lights. So did US President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris, extending wishes. In his Diwali message, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson remembered all those who became victims of coronavirus and hailed British Hindus, Sikhs and Jains for helping the people in the lockdown.
And as we all pull together and play our part in defeating this virus, I'm filled with awe and respect for the way British Hindus, Sikhs and Jains have risen to this challenge and have gone out of their way to help others.
Greetings poured in from the Prince of Wales as well.
Amid these strange and difficult circumstances, however, I do hope that you might still draw strength and confidence from the message of Diwali, that ultimately good will triumph over evil.
Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau lit diyas inside his office to mark Diwali and joined celebrations virtually. Sri Lankan Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa and his wife lit a lamp to mark the Festival of Lights. Wishes also poured in from Australia, Singapore, Kenya, Austria, Ireland and the First Minister of Wales.
Diwali is a time to mark the triumph of hope over despair. So as we celebrate the festival, let us look forward with hope to a more positive future beyond the current crisis.
One of India's most trusted Muslim allies, United Arab Emirates, also greeted people of India on Diwali, with the country's crown prince sending greetings in Hindi. The global leaders joining India in Diwali celebrations illustrates the keenness of the world to its Indian culture and values. It also shows the respect the Indian diaspora has garnered globally. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.